Greetings in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. You know what Daddy said to me last night? He said he's a repairer of souls. He said that I am the God who heals, who repairs, who restores souls. Whatever you are going through, whatever that has hurt you, that has traumatized you, whatever that has made your life a mess, he's a repairer of soul. Look at David in the book of Psalms. He said, he comforts me, the Lord our comforter. In Zulu, he says it, ubuyisa umphefumulo wami. He restores my soul. So if your soul is broken and lost, and the devil has fragmented it, has destroyed it, has messed up with your soul, there's a Father in heaven who's a restorer of soul, who is a healer,